Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Volkswagen Polo Trendline, stock reference number 4129. This shape runs from the 5th month 2014 through to the 9th month 2017. It has a CJZC 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CJZC 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front and the left hand front. We have the right hand fog light. Left hand guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has 2 small dents. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left rear has a good tyre. Left tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door appears to have no damage, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got an automatic type console in black, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.